My name is Mrs. Shalini Sachdev. I am 56 years old. I am from New Delhi, Janapuri. मेरे को rheumatoid arthritis 94 से है, after my son was born. And gradually rheumatoid arthritis जो है वो पहले hand से start हुआ, and that reached to other joints of my body, throughout my body, and that affected my knees gradually.
I'm going to tell you about Mrs. Sachdeva. She came to us in the OPD a few months ago. She's a case of severe rheumatoid arthritis with deformities in the hands and legs and the feet, and severe involvement of both hips, more on the left side, and both knees. Her family and she were quite upset with her life, and they came to me in the OPD on a stretcher.
My name is Niharika, and Mrs. Shalini Sachdev is my mother. And we came to Dr. Rajiv Thukral for her treatment regarding hip surgery, because when she in June 2022 she was in very much pain. She could not walk, and that is why we approached Dr. Rajiv Thukral for her treatment.
With no hope in their eyes, and I spoke to them, I spoke to the patient, I spoke to the family, I explained to them that she could get better, but we couldn't do all of them together, we couldn't do all the surgeries together. She needed surgery, of course. So we first went in for a total hip replacement on the left side, and she was able to walk, stand in a couple of days. She got confidence with that, and she came back in the next 2.5 to 3 months and got both her knees also replaced.
So initially we were skeptical about it, because a lot of doctors suggested us that a knee replacement cannot be done for an arthritis patient. But Dr. Rajiv Thukral has been a very motivating and helpful, and he suggested that a knee replacement would be really helpful. She would be able to walk, she would be able to stand up, and she would be able to do a lot of activities which she was not doing because of the damage.
And today she is now an independent woman. She is back to her teaching job. Her family is very happy. They are able to get out of the house. There is no dependence on anyone. She is happy with her decision, and she is happy with the fact that she could come and get operated.
So post surgery, she has recovered really well. And today we are here for her review, third review, and we have seen the change, the way she walks, the way she stands, the way she is able to live her life now in a much better way. We are really thankful to Dr. Rajiv Thukral for such efforts, for such motivation which he has given to her, and that's all from my end. Thank you so much for everything he has done for us. That's it.
Now I feel more confident while doing any of the activities. I try my best to do even small activity for which I was usually dependent on the people around me, my family members, in my school, in my colleagues, my students. So life has totally changed. I'm very thankful to the team of doctors led by Dr. Rajiv Thukral, and all have given me a lot of motivation and encouragement even after the surgery also.